The universe is shaped by all sorts of unseen forces that we don't fully understand. Even after inventing and discovering so many phenomena, there is very little we know about the universe. So today we will look at some of the biggest unsolved mysteries, from dark matter to multi-universe, that puzzle the minds of scientists. Number 1. Mysterious radio signals. Scientists have been receiving mysterious ultra-strong, ultra-bright radio signals since 2007, which last only a few milliseconds. The astronomers have recently revealed some details regarding these mysterious signals emanating from distant galaxies which are picked up by a telescope in Canada. The enigmatic flashes have been called fast radio bursts, that is FRBs. And scientists found that among 13 fast radio bursts, there was very unusual repeating signal coming from the same source. This source is said to be about 1.5 billion light years away. As of now, scientists have detected about 60 single fast radio bursts and 2 that repeat. And it is believed that there could be as many as 1000 FRBs in the sky every day. So far, no one has been able to give a proper explanation for this occurrence. However, several theories have been prompted about what could be causing them. One theory is about a neutron star with a very strong magnetic field that is spinning very rapidly, while the other is about 2 neutron stars merging together. Some scientists also think that it could be some form of alien spaceship. Surely, this one sounds the most fascinating out of all other theories. Number 2. El Pizarro. It is usually easy to tell asteroids and comets apart. Asteroids, mostly made up of rock and metal, are found in the inner solar system between Mars and Jupiter. Comets, however, are mainly icy bodies formed on the outskirts of the solar system. If they happen to be pulled towards the sun, the ice turns to vapor in their journey, creating that spectacular tail. A particular object known as El Pizarro holds the distinction of being both. Its orbit in the asteroid belt led to it being classified as an asteroid, but on closer examination in 1996 appeared to have a tail like a comet. There is still a debate what to qualify it as, but for now, it is one of the few space objects with dual classification. Number 3. Galaxy X. Astronomers mostly find new objects by studying their effect on their more visible neighbors. That's also how black holes are discovered, as they pull stars into orbit. In 2009, astronomers saw ripples in the disk of the Milky Way galaxy. They knew it was because of some disruptor. They found the cause in 2015. Orbiting the Milky Way was a dark dwarf galaxy which was also subtly altering the motion of our own due to its pull. It was seen only because of 4 bright stars that shone out of the gloom, which otherwise is hidden in the shadows. It is concluded that it is majorly made up of dark matter, the invisible glue of space. Usually, the dark matter is sprinkled with stars and hot gas, enabling some visibility. In Galaxy X, however, it's all in the dark. Number 4. Planet 9. There is a certainty amongst astronomers that there is a 9th planet and not a dwarf hidden in the outer solar system. How astonishing is that? When American astronomer Dr. Scott Shepard found 2012 VP113, a small dwarf planet candidate orbiting 250 times further from the Sun, its unusually elongated orbit immediately stood out, being significantly tilted relative to that of the other planets. Apparently, there was an unseen planet which was causing this phenomenon. But for it to be this significant, Planet 9 would have to be 10 times the size of the Earth, should take at least 10,000 years to orbit the Sun, and sit more than 200 times further out than our blue ball. That long distance makes tracking and photographing it a tricky affair. So far, only 30% of the prime area it could be in has been covered with no luck. Number 5. infrared stream from space. When a star collapses, it undergoes a supernova explosion, creating a black hole if it has enough mass. Or if it doesn't, a neutron star. These neutron stars emit radio waves or higher energy radiation such as X-rays, but astronomers found something very interesting in September 2018. Infrared light was discovered radiating from a neutron star about 800 light years away from Earth. Such signals had been seen but never in infrared. It was spread across a stretch of space around 2.5 times the orbit of Pluto around the Sun. The amount of radiation is apparently much more than the star should be emitting. Among the proposal by researchers is that a disk of dust surrounding the neutron star could be the reason for the signal, but a satisfactory elucidation is yet to be found. Number 6. Mwah. In October 2017, researchers discovered an enigmatic cigar-shaped object screaming away through the solar system at nearly a speed of 57,000 miles per hour or 92,000 km per hour. At that time, many news columns named it a visitor from another star. The extremely elongated object, which probably looked like a space cucumber, was moving so fast that it wasn't even gravitationally bound by the sun. And it was assumed that the object doesn't have its origin from our own system. It was concluded by the scientists that it is an interloper that formed outside our solar system and subsequently traveled all the way here. It is estimated by the scientists that it entered our solar system in the Victorian era, but there is no accurate calculation as to how long it wandered in the space before it got here. However, in August 2018, the European Space Agency, through its Gaia telescope, identified 4 stars that the object would have passed close to in the last 1 to 7 million years, and they believe that one of them might be its home star. Number 7. Nuclear pasta. Well, don't fall for its cute name, as nuclear pasta is regarded as the strongest material in the universe. It is made up from the leftover of a dead star, which is basically a neutron star. The physics related to these stars can be quite complex. The neutron star is a dead husk of a star more massive than the Sun, but not large enough to become a black hole upon its demise. A simulation on the subject revealed that proton and neutron in a star is shriveled husk and can be subject to insane gravitational pressure, which squeezes them into linguine-like tangles of material that would snap, but that is only possible if you apply 10 billion times the force needed to shatter the steel. Hello friends, we are excited to announce the launch of our digital library where our viewers can buy informative ebooks. We will keep adding new editions across all categories. The link is given below in the description. Also guys, don't forget to subscribe to Braintastic and press the bell icon.